everyday English
with kids.
Guys,
What?
it's time for us to clean up this big mess. First, let's put away the magnet tiles. The magnet tiles go in this bin right here. Everybody bring all the magnet tiles.
Here's a magnet tile.
Good job! Bring it here. Yay!
Here's a magnet tile.
Yay! That's not a magnet tile. That's a Lego. Good job. The Legos go in here.
Oopsie.
And the dolls for the dollhouse go in here. Good job, everybody. Jamie, come here. Bring the magnet tiles. Jamie, put the magnet tiles away, please. Good job, guys. Good cleaning. Woo, Nora.
What?
You're helping a lot. Jamie, you need to help.
That's a Lego.
Get the magnet tiles. Get the magnet tiles and put them in the bin. Woo! Good job. Nora, put these Lego people in the Lego bin. Good job. Oh, gently, please. Put them in the bin. Yes. Put them in the bin gently. There's a baby that has to go in the yellow bin. Very good. Good job. There's a Lego car behind you too. Ooh. Whoops. The car goes with the Legos. And these things are furniture for the dollhouse. So they go in here. Good job. That's the yard for the dollhouse. It goes in the yellow bin. That's a potty for the dollhouse. It goes in the dollhouse bin. Oh! The stairs go in the dollhouse bin too. We're almost done.
Where should this go?
The dollhouse goes in this closet. Right there. Where's the lid for these magnet tiles? Put the lid on. And close it. Very good. Now it goes in this closet. In that cubby. Yeah.
This go.
Those go in the playroom. That one goes right there.
Where's that go?
And this one goes right here. There. It's all clean. Woohoo! Good job. It looks so good in here. We're all done cleaning up.
Extra practice. Did you know?
Clean up your toys, put away your toys, and put your toys away are 3 common phrases you can use. They are all correct and they all mean the same thing.
Key phrases.
It's time to clean up the toys. It's time to clean up the toys. First, let's put away the magnet tiles. First, let's put away the magnet tiles. Where does this go? Where does this go? The Legos go in this bin. The Legos go in this bin. You need to help. You need to help. It looks so good in here. It looks so good in here.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.